Can a car wreck affect your hearing? A violent car crash can shatter more than your sense of safety. It can also damage the delicate structures inside your ears, leaving you with ringing, muffled hearing, or even permanent hearing loss. Under Virginia law, you have the right to pursue compensation if a negligent driver's crash injured your hearing. Our civil justice system recognizes hearing loss as a serious injury that can entitle you to damages for medical expenses, lost income, reduced earning capacity, and pain and suffering. The explosive deployment of an airbag can generate 160 to 170 decibels, well above OSHA's safety limit, and can rupture your eardrum or destroy the tiny hair cells in your cochlea. A direct blow to the head during a collision may damage the auditory nerves or brain regions that process sound, causing tinnitus, speech difficulties, or reduced hearing. The sudden back and forth motion of whiplash can strain neck and jaw tissues and is associated with tinnitus, vertigo, and other balance problems. Accident victims may not notice hearing problems right away, so you should watch for ringing, ear pain, dizziness, and trouble following conversations in the days after a wreck. Some hearing injuries, such as a ruptured eardrum or fluid in the middle ear, can heal with treatment, but sensorineural hearing loss caused by inner ear or nerve damage is typically permanent. Virginia law generally gives you 2 years from the date of the accident to file a personal injury lawsuit. However, if you share even a small amount of fault for the crash, the state's strict contributory negligence rule may bar recovery entirely, so evidence must clearly show the other driver was at fault. To prove that the wreck caused your hearing loss, you will need prompt audiograms, diagnostic imaging, and testimony from audiologists or other medical experts. Documentation of your life before the accident, such as employment records and statements from coworkers and family, can counter insurers' claims that your hearing loss is due to aging or occupational noise. If you experience changes in your hearing after a wreck, seek medical attention right away, keep a daily journal of symptoms, preserve evidence from the scene, decline recorded statements from insurers, and consult a personal injury attorney. Early medical records linking your hearing loss to the crash are critical evidence in any claim. Compensation can cover audiograms, hearing aids, surgery, cochlear implants, lost wages, and the reduced earning capacity caused by difficulty working in noisy environments. Pain and suffering damages acknowledge the physical discomfort and emotional distress of chronic tinnitus, balance problems, social isolation, and the impact on your relationships and mental health. Because of Virginia's contributory negligence rule, it is essential to work with a skilled attorney who can investigate the accident, gather witness statements, and coordinate with accident reconstruction experts to show that the other driver was entirely at fault. Experienced lawyers understand how to present medical evidence and lifestyle documentation to prove that your hearing loss was caused by the crash and not by age, work noise, or pre-existing conditions. A compassionate law firm will fight for full compensation and will ensure that insurers do not undervalue your claim just because hearing loss is an invisible injury. At GibsonSingleton, Virginia Injury Attorneys, our attorneys Ken Gibson and John Singleton have represented car accident victims across Gloucester County and the Hampton Roads region for years. They bring discipline and determination from their marine backgrounds to every case and understand how hearing loss can upend your life. We know how to navigate Virginia's legal system and help you recover damages for hearing loss and other injuries after a crash, and we are ready to listen to your story. Call GibsonSingleton Virginia Injury Attorneys at 804-413-6777 or visit us at 4073 South George Washington Mem Highway, Hayes, Virginia, 23072, United States to speak with a lawyer about your case. Our law firm serves clients throughout Gloucester County, Gloucester Point, and nearby communities, and our lawyers are committed to pursuing justice and a fair settlement for you.